LifeShine with CeraFuse is a complete protection package designed to keep your car looking newer for longer, inside and out. Professionally applied before you collect your vehicle, you drive away with long-term protection already in place. Available at John Clark Motor Group, we offer 2 levels of ceramic protection. Both enhance gloss, durability and long-term performance, with the difference being the level of preparation involved. Our premium level CeraFuse is applied by a trained on-site technician. It creates a durable ceramic barrier on the paintwork, helps protect against road grime and contamination, and makes cleaning easier. Inside, a stain-resistant treatment helps guard against spills, and a hydrophobic coating is applied to the exterior glass, excluding the front windscreen, to improve visibility in wet weather. For the highest level of finish, our elite level CeraFuse Ultra is carried out by an independent Autoglym accredited detailer. The vehicle undergoes an intensive preparation process before our most advanced ceramic technology is applied, delivering exceptional gloss, durability and water repellency. LifeShine is designed to protect your investment, enhance appearance and give you long-term peace of mind.